Hello and welcome to the introductory lecture of R programming. Today we'll be just walking through the introduction, giving an introduction about what basically R program is and how to install it. Now R is a programming language and a software environment for data analysis and statistics. Now R is used in almost every area where statistics and data analysis are needed. It's used in the field of finance, marketing, pharmaceutical, science, teaching, and many others. Now, how do we install R? Now, for that, you probably need to go to the website www.r/projects.org. And now, this is a basic interface it has. The other thing, the other thing that you can probably download is from RStudio. Now, RStudio is an integrated development environment which has a much more better feature and easy usability. So you can probably download that from www.rstudio.org. And now once you've installed it, this is basically how the basic version of our console or the R platform looks like. And you can use those, you can type in your data sets, or you can start your analysis by typing it from here itself. On the other hand, how does an R console from RStudio looks like is it's like this. This is more of the R console, the integrated platform of R, which is the RStudio, and you can and we'll be working more on the RStudio version for our data analysis. Now, what are the things that you can actually work on our program? One of them is using the mathematical operations. You can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, power and compounding calculations. And the calculation is basically done from right to left. And first of all, the calculation is in brackets, and then then it is done in the exponents, then multiplication, division, and then the addition and the subtraction. This basically follows the Bode-Marsh rule, where the brackets and the other operations takes place before the others. All right. Now the R has an library. It has an option for library where it is used for managing the data sets. There are certain data management libraries such as dplyr library. Now, dplyr library helps you to merge, do operations such as merging, sorting, subsetting, manipulating data frames, and intuitive syntaxes. We'll be discussing more in detail about dplyr package. You can, or there is also another library. This is reshape2, which allows for transforming and reshaping the data set, like turning rows into columns and vice versa. There is SQLDF library, and if you know about SQL, you can write select statements on your data set. Then there is read Excel, where it allows you to import XLS files, and XLS is for allowed to import and create a format for Excel files. However, there are many other data management libraries available in R, which makes your calculation and as well as your analysis a lot more easier and a lot more quicker. However, there are other visualization libraries too. For example, there is ggplot2. It is basically a popular visualization package that creates beautiful graphs. We have Google Viz, which is an interactive web-based visuals. Now, how do you install a particular library? First of all, you only install the library once. Say, for example, if you want to install the dplyr library, you just need to, on the R console, you need to type in install.packages and the name of the library, the name of the package that you want to work on. And then to start your analysis, you probably need to type in library and then the name of the package that you've installed, and then you can go ahead with the analysis. All right, thank you very much for listening. This is all for the introductory lecture on R.